So what do mindfulness and sensory literacy have to do with each other? Quite a bit, actually. They are a really lovely pairing, and they merge really well together. So in terms of sensory literacy, mindfulness is really a wonderful way for us to check in with our own senses. Since mindfulness is about paying attention to what's happening on the inside as well as what's happening on the outside of our body, it's really about blending that in the moment, non-judgmental awareness with our awareness of our senses to bring about a greater mind-body connection and a greater ability for self-regulation and self-awareness. These things are really important. They're great tools for classroom management. They are great tools to help children learn emotional self-regulation skills. And they just blend so really nicely together, and they provide so many tools. So if you would like to learn more, please check out the link in the comments to my Sensory Literacy Starter Kit. And as always, remember to like, share, and comment. And also remember to mind your senses.